The AfriOne Show, voice of a new tribe.
Hello, AfriOne Show. Ijoma here, an entrepreneur. I'm new in the business field, so I have a product, a healthy product, which is a soya beans powder and Zobo drink. So I called on your show and in pitching my business concerning the 50,000 naira grant for businesses. So today I'm going to be showing you my product. So my product is available for elderly people, children, nursing mother, anybody can take, anybody that wants to stay healthy. It's a healthy product, healthy living. If you want to get a healthy living or stay on a healthy living, this product is for you. So yeah, I already have my audience, just that I need to use this money to get my NAFDAC number done. So I plan on getting the business to supermarkets and shops, but each time I go to these places, they always ask for my NAFDAC number. So part of this money I'm going to use to get my registration of NAFDAC number done. Then what's left I'll use to get more products for production. So yeah, so come with me as I take you through the process of my products. Sorry, so yes, we have, this is our soya beans powder. We have it in 200 grams. So we also have unbranded ones in case people wants to buy and resell. So we have it in an unbranded pack. Yeah. We also have it in 100 grams, but right now we are out of a pack for 100 grams. But we are stocking soon. And then these are the remaining packs. This one is 400 grams. We have 100 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams, 400 grams. Then we sell in pints. As you can see, we have a half bag here. That is where our soya beans is. In case somebody wants to buy a pack, that's paint. Yeah. So we have our measuring paint. That's for our soya beans. So these are the sample of the soya beans powder. Then we have our Zobo drink. Also in different packs. So our Zobo drinks we have in different sizes. We have it in this 25 cl bottle. We have it in this 50 cl bottle. And then we have it in this 35 cl bottle. So we have this stock up in our freezer, in our mini freezer. So this is just sample of what we have available. So yes, this is all we have for now, and if this money is given to us, we'll use it for the continuation of getting of our NAFDAC number. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you so much for this.
Okay, so you see we've done it. That's the proof of payment, and so we'll be calling Ijoma again back because she said her account is Money Point, and so we've sent it to Money Point, and so we will take it up from that very particular place just to make sure what's going on here. My team will definitely send you a proof of payment, and so that's the thing. But let's call back again. Hello, Miss Ijoma.
Hello, sir.
The way you are sounding shows that you received the money.
Yes. Thank you so much. I'm so
so happy. I'm grateful.
All right. All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
I think
Thank you so much.
for record purpose,
Okay.
please understand that the money, the seed investment you've received is, like you said on the video, it is for your NAFDAC registration and for other product for you to have on your
Yes, sir.
stock. And so
Yes, sir.
please, when you are registering for your NAFDAC and stuff, you can also help us by sending the proof of payment
Yes, sir.
to NAFDAC, obviously. And the second thing also, the product that you are going to buy as an add-on into your business, please make sure that you also just probably either a video or a photo of that would be good. Video. All right. My team is saying here that they want video of the other product that you are going to buy and add to it. So
Okay, sir.
please, with everyone, we make sure that what you said you do, and your location is Lagos, right?
Yes, Lagos.
Which area in Lagos?
Yanokwaja, right?
Yeah?
Lagos. Yanokwaja.
Yanokpraja. Okay. So the reason why, for just record purpose, the reason why we are doing this video call, and it's because we are currently in Abuja, and so we couldn't come physically to Lagos. That is why we are doing this call and making sure that it's recorded, and my team is busy asking you for videos. So if you're in Abuja, it would have been a different case. My team would have come to your place, but since you're in Lagos, that's why we're doing the call. But one more time, thank you so much for being the recipient for this week winning.
Thank you so much, AfriOne Tribe. I'm so grateful. Thank you. This means a lot. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is make payment for CAC, because the first requirement for the NAFDAC is me getting a CAC.
Okay.
So I'm going to be doing that before the end of this week. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
All right. No, that is fine. Thank you so much. Is there anything again I need to be able to add to the conversation so that it's quite easy? Oh, yes. I was told, my team said to me that you are not feeling too well.
Yes. But I'm well now.
Oh, you're well now. That's good. That's what 50,000 can do as an investment.
I'm so emotional right now.
Okay, no, that's fine. Well, thank you so much. And please keep talking about AfriOne Tribe. Keep talking about the investment. Let people know. And also, you can then add more friends to come around and let them know that AfriOne, when
All
we
my
promise.
friends are coming.
All your friends are coming. Bring them in. All right, thank you so much. And we will hear from you. My team will follow up from you as to the necessary stuff that will be needed from your hand. Is that okay?
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Oh, God bless you all. God bless everyone. Oh, God bless everyone tribe. God bless you all. I'm so happy.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is a big step for my business. It's going to help me.
You're welcome.
I don't know how to appreciate you. It's something that I've been looking forward to and I've been praying for, and I'm happy it's happening. Especially this NAFDAC is going to open doors for me.
That's
God bless
good.
you all so much.
That's good. Thank you very much for the course, and then we look forward to profitable business partner relationship with you.
All right, sir. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You. I'm grateful.
Bye.
Bye.
And that's how we end this very particular segment of the seed investment. And this is for Ijoma, all the way from Lagos. And so I just want to encourage you, if you're watching, please take an advantage of you making sure that at least you pitch your business properly, whether your friends or family, please recommend them to come on this very particular platform. We try to give you a seed investment, and it's not an investment that we are demanding for a return. But for those of you who wants to go beyond 50,000 of requesting on the AfriOne Tribe, please, I want to encourage you, visit invest.afrione.africa. I repeat, invest.afrione.africa. On that very particular platform, you can then be able to push your business in terms of the funding you are looking forward to. But if not so, you can also follow us on all our social media platform known as the AfriOne Show. And also on the TikTok side, also, we have a new platform known as the AfriOne Tribe. Right here, the AfriOne Tribe. And so you can also follow, subscribe, like, share, invite. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, please, I want to encourage you. The number that is currently available on the screen, send a message. either via WhatsApp or SMS, and to say, I want to join the WhatsApp group, and definitely the team behind will add you to the WhatsApp group, which gives you a better chance of being a recipient of the 50,000. And also don't forget to follow us if you are in Abuja. Watch our show every Wednesday, like today, Wednesday now. I'm dressed with the t-shirts, which means I have office to report by 7 p.m. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. at 107.7 FM, which is known as the Armed Forces Radio in Abuja, Nigeria. So take your time, 7 p.m. prompt to listen to us. And on Friday, where we'll be talking and looking in depth into your business. Literally, I think today, depending, we're going to be doing a production around how to be able to scale properly. I see some of your questions. I think somebody asked a question on Facebook, and I felt led for me to also do a video production for that. So it's not just about money, it's also about ideas that you can also be able to get in running your business successfully, and also scaling from one part to another to be able to attract investment. So don't just join because of 50,000. Join because you need a community to be able to grow.
Hi, it's me again. So I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to the organizers and the management of AfriOne Tribe for this wonderful opportunity. It's mind-blowing. I've been so excited ever since I received the 50,000 naira for my business. So I got the money sent to my account. Here it is. So for everybody that is looking forward to getting this opportunity, I just want to say to you that you should please stay patient. It's going to get to you. I wasn't even expecting it. It just came to me and I got the money received. I'm happy. This is going to be a very, very big extra step for my business. It's going to help me improve my business, and I can't wait to share with you all of the improvement that is going to be happening to this business. Thank you so much, and God bless you. It's a pleasure. It's an honor. I'm grateful to you. I pray that the Lord will continue to bless you people and help you with all of your plans. As you continue to make people happy, you are all going to be happy. Thank you. I don't even know what to say, but I just want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you, AfriOne Tribe. You guys are the best. Thank you for helping small business owners. We really appreciate it, and we do not take it for granted. Thank you so much.
I remain your host, the Afropolitan Apostle, known as Darlington Steve, from Abuja, Nigeria. And also to my team, Innovate, thank you so much for making sure that you follow up with all of the clients. And also to my ABU, I'm strong, amiable, intelligent, smart. I would have called him Cornell, but I would have arrested for it. But his name is called Echo. And so he's a strong man behind the scene, making sure that I look the way I look. And also to the Charlotte Love Foundation, yes, to Charlotte Love Foundation, thank you so much for your support, and also for that of Charlotte Prime's home. I'll see you on the subsequent production. Bye for now, and God bless you.